Hi friends, in this video I would be showing screen mirroring using Google Home app. First we need to connect both mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. In this mobile phone, let me go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in mobile phone we can install Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed. Let me open. Then we need to log in with Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see this Google Home app has detected Google TV streamer. Here you can see Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on cast to my screen. Tap on cast screen. If you want to cast entire screen, you can select entire screen from this drop down. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then rotate the screen so that way you can switch display to full screen. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app, tap on stop mirroring. Done. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.